Hello everybody, my name is Rebecca Grace and today we're going to talk about how to add a page loading screen on your website. So if I go to my website, you'll notice that as the page loads, it has a spinner that comes up as my page is loading, and that way people aren't seeing kind of part images and things like that. My website's fairly large, so it takes maybe a little bit longer to load, and so I want to have that page loading on there rather than see bits of my website as it loads. So I'm going to show you how to add that exact loading page on your site. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to Settings, Advanced, Code Injection, and copy and paste the following code in the header section. Click Save. And then you're going to need to copy and paste the following code in the footer section. Click Save. And then go back to your home screen. Okay. Click Design, Custom CSS, and copy and paste the following code. Click Save. Okay, and then you can refresh your page to see the spinner. This website is obviously a temporary website, so it doesn't have a lot on it. It's going to go very fast, but we'll click and make sure that it's working. There, so you can see the spinner kind of pops up there until the site was ready, and then it showed the regular site. So that is how you add a page loading screen to your Squarespace website.